Hi class, for this problem, we're gonna go over how to type in the fraction so that we obtain a decimal approximation and also an exact value. So in your calculator, you're gonna type it in as technically 12 divided by 36. And this is gonna give us, well, a decimal approximation of 0.333 repeating. The question is asking for a decimal form, which it'll be the 0.33, and then the fraction equivalent. So to find the fraction equivalent, you simply have to hit math. It's already in that format for the first one. You could just here hit enter and then enter again, and that happens to be your solution. So it gets the previous answer and it makes it as an exact. Now, as you're rewriting your answer, technically on this one, we would say that the 12 over 36, it's approximately, give me just a second, it's approximately 0.33 rounding to 2 decimal places. And then as an exact value, you could say that, well, this is equal to a total of 1/3. The reason that I'm writing it as approximately 0.33 is because we're losing precision, but technically 1/3 here is approximately 0.33. Now, let me just retrieve it again and let me do it from scratch. So you would type in 12 divided by the values of 36, enter. Once you have the answer, you would basically press math and then enter again. You need an additional enter so that you double check that it's 1/3. That's actually it for problem 5.